What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm reviewing this ultrasonic humidifier, pure mist for healthier home, 3-liter capacity, long lasting moisture, low noise operation, night light option. So this model is an XH-S05A, and as you see now, it's working now. If you turn this up, you need to turn this dial up. Now I have a power supply, which is the 300 watts. I can use this, and it consumes only 6 watts. So this is not like any other humidifier that it consumes a lot of wattage. This is the best 3-liter that you can use it for a long day, for a whole day. You can easily fill this up with water, the maximum. They basically recommend to put a tap water, but I don't recommend to you to put tap water, because the tap water will clog this humidifier. I will recommend you guys use the filter water. It's a removable lead, easy to use, and this one is a removable tank as well. And you need to line this up in order for you guys to attach this. And once you attach, you can fill this up to maximum level, which is 3 liters. It's a great quality product. You will not get wrong. This one, you are able to place this machine upright on a level surface. Easy to use, and you can follow the instructions through the user manual. And you can remove the water tank lid and fill the tank with the purified water. Do not exceed to the maximum level, as what I said a while ago. The water temperature must not exceed to 40 degrees, and filling the placed tank securely on the base. You can plug in this AC cord to 60 hertz power outlet. The voltage that basically use, or the wattage that basically use, or the AC watts that we use in the US is 120 volts, 60 hertz. And you can turn on the knob to turn this on, and to turn it off. You can turn on this knob by turning it on clockwise to start the humidifier, and you can continue turning to increase the mist output. When the knob points to the maximum mark, the red light will start flashing, indicating the mist output has reached the maximum level. And turn off this knob by counterclockwise to opposition to shut off the humidifier. It comes with the RGB, which is the breathing light. That's the bulb icon, this is the bulb icon below. The knob to turn on the 7 color cycle, which is the LED breathing light, which cycle it has a 7 colors. So that's to turn it off again. And this is the nozzle, and this is the tank cover, which is the lead cover, as you see. And this one is the tank seat, and this is the water tank. And the air inlet located inside. The air inlet's down there. And the the lever float is also down there as well. The lever float is down there. It's the lever float up there. And the atomization sheet is located down up there. Okay. This one is easy to use. It's not a rocket science using this type of ultrasonic humidifier, and you can buy this from Amazon. It's cheaper. It's not gonna cost you arms and legs. It's an affordable product. So I have given a chance by the manufacturing company to review this product, and I highly recommend you guys. This is a great product that you can buy, especially if you guys live in a dry land like Arizona, Las Vegas. I live in Las Vegas, and this one is a must. Even my sister also using a humidifier. She lives in Las Vegas as well. She has a big humidifier, and this one is a portable humidifier that you can put it to your side table. But just make sure that once you put this, you need to stay away this from any furniture that it can cause your product, your furniture to soak with the water. And you need to please use it on the flat ground to avoid the product tilt and falling, causing the water to overflow to damage the humidifier. And always use the power supply, which is 120 volts, as what I said. Do not use any detergent soap or any chemical solvent, gasoline, kerosene, polishing, that it can damage this machine. And when the greenhouse is lower than 0 degrees, you need to please pour out the water tank and the water tank to avoid the damage. Do not use the humidifier around the bathtub, nozzle, swimming pool. Avoid electric shock or fire. When the humidifier is not clean, you need to move for a long time, and please unplug the power cord first. Do not use this product in direct sunlight, and do not put your hands or other things inside the inside this tank. Avoid as much as possible. And this is a great product, as what I'm telling you guys. It's an ultrasonic humidifier. It's a pure mist for humidifier home, 3-liter capacity, low noise operation, night light, model XHS05A. So we're gonna fire this out right now. We're gonna turn this on. I'm gonna turn on this thing. So I'm gonna turn on my 300 watts. I still have juice of 13%, and now it can works up to 21 hours. So I'm gonna turn the dial to clockwise. You see, now it's starting to miss. So it's a great product, as what I'm telling you guys. Now the mist is working right now. See, the steam mist, the mist is really good. Don't ever use any tap water on this one. Whether they recommend to use tap water, I highly recommend you guys use a filter water. And if you guys a water filter through your refrigerator or any or reverse osmosis, that's a great thing whenever you use a water inside this tank. It's a 3-liter, and this one is detachable. Once you detach this tank, you are able to align it up, this circle. You line it up to this arrow, and you are able to attach it easily. And then you can turn this on, plug it in to your power adapter. Now it's consuming 7 watts. And you can change the color. Now it's green. You can change it. Now it's blue. Press it again. So you can change the color. It significantly change the color, the setting, which is the RGB. The red light and green, but it comes with the 7 modes of lights that you can choose. You see? I highly recommend you guys for those people who lives in Las Vegas or people who lives in Arizona. This is a great mist, ultrasonic humidifier, pure mist for healthier home. 3-liter large capacity, long-lasting moisture, low noise operation, night light. If you guys never have this kind of product, buy from Amazon. I highly recommend. I give a big thumbs up for this product. It's a great product. I give it a chance by manufacturing company to review this product, and I highly recommend you guys. This is a great product. Look at that. Look at the mist. It's all the way up there, okay? I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. And if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel. Don't forget to comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.